Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the language on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on system and update. From here, tap on language and region. Now under the language section, just tap on edit. And from here, just select any language which you want to add to your smartphone. For example, I will select this language. Now, if you want to set this language as your default language, just select yes. And if you want to add the language in your languages list, just tap on no. For now, I will select yes. And as you can see, we have successfully changed the language on our Oppo phone. Now you can add multiple languages to the list, just like that. And you can switch between the languages by dragging the language to the top from the three bars at the side of the language. Just like that. Then select change, and once you do that, you will change the language to the selected language. And this is how you can change the language on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.